car went to Oz Welch at Oz Customs, and he's the one who really did all the work as far as the restoration, exterior-wise, was concerned. And we did a few very slight changes on the car. A little bit in the grill we changed, and the one thing that was probably the biggest thing was I wound up chopping the car. My initial direction on that was to make it as original as possible, but Oz called me and said, I'd really like to chop the car. I said, well, I'm really not intending on chopping the car. He said, well, I'll make you a real good deal if you let me chop it. He said, well, just do a very, very mild chop. I finally agreed, and we did cut the top very, very slightly. He did, in my opinion, did a very, very nice job.